Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you have read the title, then you would know this is a lipstick review video. So I am going to review and talk about the Blue Heaven Powder Matte Lipsticks. Now this lipstick is a highly requested video and I somehow got delayed in making this video, and the reason being is that I wanted to buy a wide variety of shades, and I always used to wait for sales, and I ended up grabbing like 7 of them. So I have a lot of shades to show you guys, talk about them and tell you whether these lipsticks are good or not. So I will go ahead and review the lipstick first, and you will have to wait till the end of the video to watch lip swatches. So if this video interests you, please keep on watching. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can watch my future videos. I think subscribing is easy at this point, so I mean just click a button and it's absolutely free. Also there is a tiny bell icon next to it, so whenever you select all, every time I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. So without wasting further time, let's get into the video now. Alright friends, so let's jump into the video right away. As I mentioned, I have 7 shades of lipsticks with me. I think time and again I tried purchasing them. I think the best place to buy them is from Nykaa, Purplle or Amazon. I will place the Amazon link in the description box. Now I do buy my lipsticks and Blue Heaven products from Purplle because I think that's the best place to get a good discount. I know nothing is sponsored as such, so I go on Purplle and I think I got an offer like buy 4 get 45% off. So can you believe that I paid like somewhere around 80 to 90 bucks for one lipstick. The actual price of the lipstick is 150 rupees. You get 3.5 grams of product and the shelf life is like 3 years, which is a really good time, for us to use and finish our lipstick. So I'm really happy with that. So this was the outer packaging. Everything is mentioned out here, but the ingredients list is not mentioned. I think that is a problem with every lipstick. So the lipstick I'm wearing today is such a stunning purple color, and this was the first color which attracted me to this whole range of lipstick. The shade I'm wearing is called Dreamy Violet PM05, and this is how it looks like. Now tell me, this is not a stunning color? It looks more purple here, but on the lips, depending on your pigmentation, it will look like that. Like, can you see that? It looks really nice. I feel it looks more purple in real life. On camera, sometimes the colors do get altered, so I'm not going to lie about that. They do have a nice scent to it. I cannot explain how it is, but it is quite nice. Once you apply it on the lips, it will go away, so no problem with that. Now I did go through the Blue Heaven website, and they do have I think 21 shades in this, और इसमें आपको न्यूड से लेके रेड से लेके ऑरेंज पर्पल सारे शेड्स मिल जाएंगे. So all they are trying to say here is that it's long lasting, it glides on effortlessly, and it is a powder matte lipstick. Now to be honest, yes, it is a powder matte lipstick and it also glides on effortlessly, but when you apply the lipstick you will have to drag it like a couple of times, and मेरे ओपिनियन में ये ड्राई नहीं है, because I know in the past I have tried so many Blue Heaven lipsticks. Just for your reference, I did own these Gossip matte lipstick. I think आप Amazon पे जाओगे तो शायद आपको मिलेगा, but I think they discontinued making these lipsticks. So I had a purple and a nude color. They were really stunning, but the main issue with the lipstick was, if you can see that this is also a purple, which I feel is that same Dreamy Violet lipstick. The main issue with these lipsticks were they were extremely dry. So if I have to compare this to this new a version of lipstick, it is very much better. It glides on nicely, it feels lightweight on the lips, it does not accentuate my fine lines like some of the super dry lipsticks do. Honestly, I'm not a fan of liquid lipsticks, so I'm really happy with this formula, to be very honest, and that's probably the reason why I purchased like 7 shades. One of the shades, apparently, if you watch Nidhi Katiyar, who is a YouTuber as well, she made a video on Instagram and she said this shade, which is Ruby Glow RM03, is a very close dupe to the MAC Ruby Woo lipstick. So this is how it looks like, and I do own a MAC Ruby Woo lipstick, so I have not compared it yet, but in future I will try to compare it, and I will try and post YouTube shorts as such, so we will see how that works. But nonetheless it's a stunning red color. Let me go through the lipsticks one by one. I did show you Dreamy Violet, which I'm wearing right now, and this is Ruby Glow out here. I'm not going to do hand swatches like I mentioned. The next shade I have is Fiery Orange. This is how it looks like. It's a stunning orange lipstick. If you like orange lipsticks, you should go for it. You will watch it towards the end of the video in the swatches. This is a lipstick called Dahlia Fields PM02. It's a beautiful purple base pink, and it's little deep, in shade, so it will kind of look very similar to this lipstick. However, it's more pink. मेरा ये वाला ये जो है वो पर्पल ज़्यादा है. The next shade is Woody Flush. If you're looking for a mauvey, like a deep brown color, this is it. You should go for this one. This is like perfect for every day when you go to office, or if you're working from home and if you prefer, wearing neutral lipstick, this is the one you should go for. Next one is Sienna Sunset. Like, this is my go-to lipstick currently. Like, if I'm going out and if I don't want to wear anything bright, now honestly we are wearing a mask right now, so I avoid wearing lipstick, but if I have to wear, I reach out for this one. The next one is Barbie Doll. This is my favorite pink lipstick. I have used this lipstick quite a lot, and trust me, if you're somebody of my skin color, it will look really nice and bright on you. I was looking for a pink shade. And lastly is Dreamy Violet, which I have already talked about before. All I would say, these are really nice. They glide smoothly on the lips. Now lasting wise, like if I have to check the transfer thing, yes, they do transfer. This is not a lot. I did apply this lipstick like say around 10 minutes ago, and this is how much it transfers. So transfer के मामले में इतना बुरा भी नहीं है. I think it's okay if the lipstick transfers. I mean, this is not like very creamy. This is like a powder matte lipstick. So once you apply it, after some time, it will kind of get matte. However, like it will transfer a little bit, which I'm okay with. Price wise, availability wise, shades wise, I think Blue Heaven has done a great job. ओनली थिंग इज़ दैट ये लिपस्टिक को थोड़ा रगड़ना पड़ता है, विच आई एम ओके विथ. लाइक एक स्वाइप में लिपस्टिक लगना कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है इन माई ओपिनियन. इट्स ओके. लाइक 150 rupees. I think they have done a fabulous job. I've seen some people were not liking this lipstick, but let me tell you, it's really really nice. और इसके मुकाबले जो Gossip Matte lipstick they had previously, that was like super duper dry, and it used to accentuate all the fine lines of the lips. So if you have to compare that lipstick to this one is really really nice. So overall, I would say yes, please go ahead and purchase these lipsticks. You will not regret it. If you're okay with the price point and everything, which I don't think so you would not be okay with. I mean, if you're okay with trying an Indian brand, yes, Blue Heaven is an Indian brand. It's a vegan and cruelty free brand. Then definitely go ahead and purchase it. मतलब एक दो shades definitely try करें. I think they are really really nice, and I would highly recommend. So that is a wrap for today. Those were all the lipsticks I wanted to talk about, like the formula, packaging and everything else. The only thing that's remaining are the lip swatches. So I have taken a lot of pain to do these lip swatches, and can you see I'm really sweating right now. So I quickly want to wrap up this video. So stay tuned for the lip swatches. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite shade and which is the shade that looks good on me. Mine is definitely the one I'm wearing now, Dreamy Violet. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the big thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, share my video on my social media. Also keep watching my videos, guys. I mean, YouTube Shorts does not count to the watch time on my channel, so I would really appreciate if you watch my previous videos that I've uploaded on my channel. This is it for now. Please stay tuned for the lip swatches, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.